Hey guys, welcome to the MS Excel tutorial. As part of today's string functions, I'm going to cover concatenate function. Concatenate function is used to concat multiple text, multiple words or strings to form a longer string. Now let me show you with the help of an example. I have two example strings here, Tom and Jerry. Now I want to concatenate Tom along with Jerry with an ampersand, with an ampersand in between them. How would I do that? So I would be using equals concatenate, the name of the function is concat, and I select text 1, I put a comma, and then I want this ampersand. So I'm not using it as the reference of this particular cell, rather I will hard code the text in double quotes. So I'm putting a space after double quotes, then the ampersand, again one more space, and then again a double quote, and then I put a comma. I select the another string here, which is the second string Jerry, and I close the function. I press enter, and you could see here now Tom and Jerry is concatenated. So with this, I conclude the concatenate function. Thank you.